Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is seeds separation or seed or rice or grain separation grader. Here we have the opening here. We put the seeds from this top side, and there is one lever here which closes the window here. It closes the window, see, and it opens this. And when the seed goes down here, there have perforations. There are different perforations here. The seeds are separated, and then when it comes down, it is collected into two chambers. One opening is from this side, another is on the center. So they are collected, and then they are done the separation, and then this is made from iron strand is there, and this is all copper sheet, brass sheet. This one is a brass sheet, and another one is a copper. It's the easiest to separate this grains or rice and see the quality, understand. Now we have all the different moisture meter, etc., different machines, microscopes, all different kind of instruments and rice grain. And please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, and this is our WhatsApp number 94160200018. Website is abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Visit the website, like the videos, share the videos, and you can buy all different items from us. Thank you very much.